Dear Gladys the gasping goldfish, boy, you've missed the vacation of the century. I mean, literally. It takes almost a century, 76 years to be exact, until anyone on Earth will see Halley's Comet again. The last time Halley's Comet made an appearance was in 1986, and the next expected appearance is in 2061. Have fun waiting another 46 years. It could even be more. Because comets are such small bodies of mass, the gravitational effects of other planets can either elongate or shorten their orbiting period by years. Although Halley's Comet has a fluctuating orbital period, a day on Halley's Comet is about 2.2 days, which is 42.8 Earth hours, so it's a bit of an adjustment. Halley's Comet's orbit is highly eccentric, and due to its incredible length of 2.66 billion kilometers, it has the ability to view several planets in our solar system at a closer distance than we can here on Earth. For example, Halley's Comet comes within 0.05 AU from Jupiter. The tilt of Halley's Comet is about 18 degrees, so it's pretty close to Earth's. The craziest thing about Halley's Comet is how small it is. Compared to Earth, one of our solar system's smaller planets, Halley's Comet is about 3 times 10 to the 10th time smaller, with its mass at only 2.2 times 10 to the 14th kilograms, and a diameter of 11,000 meters. Due to this body's minuscule size, you can only guess how weak its gravity is. At about only 4.851 times 10 to the negative 4th meters per second squared, gravity feels almost non-existent, so I get to practice my moonwalk quite a bit. I'll be coming back with some new dance moves to show off at this Saturday spring fling. Hopefully I can be there in time, though. Right now, Halley's Comet is at its aphelion, or its farthest point from the sun, so we are quite far away from the Earth right now. As we approach aphelion, the comet is very, very cold, so we had to pack really warmly. At about negative 53 degrees Celsius to a negative 103 degrees Celsius at its coldest, we are constantly wearing at least 4 parkas, but here people consider it a fashion statement. As the comet approaches the sun, however, its darker than coal crust absorbs almost all of its heat and light and warms itself while evaporating and shedding the materials that makes up its light makeup of frozen water, frozen gases, dust, and small amounts of other solids. The density of this nucleus is 0.1 grams per centimeter cubed, which is incredibly light compared to Earth's 5.51 grams per centimeter cubed density. Beyond the comet's nucleus is its coma, or the comet's atmosphere, which is made up of a dense cloud of water, carbon dioxide, and other neutral gases that have sublimed from the nucleus. While on Halley's Comet, a very popular activity is to windsurf its ion tail. As the comet's nucleus begins to evaporate and shed its dust and other matter, it forms an ion tail that can stream for hundreds of millions of miles. The tail is made up of plasma and interacts with solar wind to create beautiful natural light shows. The solar wind is incredibly hot and powerful, so we have to wear protective suits as we catch its drifts with our kites. It took me a while to get the hang of it, but after a while, it's quite the experience. Gladys, if you ever get the chance to even see Halley's Comet, I highly recommend it.